Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to switch your Windows XP theme to Classic mode or Classic theme. So if you're used to Windows 9X series theme appearance, like Windows 98, Windows Millennium Edition, that sort of thing, if you want to see a more retro view on Windows XP, which is already pretty retro by today's standards anyway, I will show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So right-click on a blank area of the desktop and select Properties. In the Theme field, click the drop-down and select Windows Classic, and then select Apply, and then OK. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.